Hi kids! Do you know how to make your own graphing paper? Tools needed: ruler, protractor, and bond paper. Let's make a 10 cm by 10 cm graphing paper. Let's make a horizontal line. This will serve as the baseline in using the protractor. Put a dot at the center of the line. Next is to create a perpendicular line. Using your protractor, find the 90 degrees. Put a mark and create a line. Measure the 10 cm length. Put a mark for every centimeter. Now, let's measure the vertical line. For every centimeter, mark with a dot. At the left portion, we will measure 90 degrees. Create a perpendicular line and mark the necessary length. Kung anong ginawa natin sa ibang lines, ito rin ang gagawin natin sa kanan, sa taas, at saka sa baba. Now, let's connect all the dots.
1, 2, 3! Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Hey, hey, tra-la-la. Time to swing. Time to sing. Hey, hey, tra-la-la.
Ito na ang ating 10 cm by 10 cm graphing paper. Ito ay magagamit natin sa pagkuha ng mga area. So, abangan natin kung paano natin magagamit ito sa pagkuha ng area of the different paper shapes. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.